All of you very good morning students. Today discuss respiratory disorders. So they are the last topic of the breathing and exchange of gases. Respiratory disorders. Respiratory disorders. 4 marks, very important question. In IP exam 4 marks, very important question. Every year the annual exam or supply exam compulsory in this question respiratory disorders, very important question. So the respiratory disorders, are the 4 types: asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, pneumonia. Asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, pneumonia. First one, asthma. So the asthma, difficulty in breathing caused due to the inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. So the inflammation of the bronchi and bronchioles, so they are caused to the difficulty in breathing. For example, so these are the bronchi and bronchiole. So bronchi and bronchiole, so that the inflammation because of the bronchi and bronchioles, the walls contain smooth muscles. The bronchi and bronchioles, the walls of the bronchi and bronchioles, they presenting on the smooth muscles. This, so these are the smooth muscles. So they are the smooth muscles. The bronchi and bronchioles, they are the inflammation because of the bronchi and bronchioles, the walls contain smooth muscles. The smooth muscles are the spasms, means they are the swelling. The smooth muscles are the swelling. The smooth muscles are the swelling. So these are the smooth muscles are the swelling. So these are the decreasing in the diameter. Decreasing in the diameter. So normally this size is this size. The diameter is this size. So present in the disorder. So they are the short in diameter. So these are the difficulty in breathing. So the bronchi and bronchioles, so they are the inflammation because of these walls presenting on the smooth muscles. That smooth muscles are the swelling. So this diameter is the decreases. So they are the difficulty in breathing. So asthma disease, so that they are the difficulty in breathing. So they are the symptoms. So they are the symptoms are the coughing. So they are the coughing and difficulty in breathing. So they are the breathing is a problem. Next one, wheezing, like whistles. They are coming from the speaking. That time coming from the whistles. So they are the wheezing. So they are the asthma. So asthma is a difficulty in breathing. So the inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. Bronchi and bronchioles. The bronchi and bronchiole, the walls presenting on the smooth muscles. That smooth muscles are the spasms because of they are the swelling of the smooth muscles. So the decreasing of the diameter. So they are the difficulty in breathing. Symptoms: coughing, difficulty in breathing, and wheezing. So they are the asthma. Second one, emphysema. Second disorder, emphysema. Emphysema means in which alveolar walls are damaged. Alveolar walls are the damaged. For example, the lungs contain how many alveoli? 300, approximately 300 millions of the alveoli. So they are the, just rough diagram, they are the alveoli. So in this emphysema, the alveolar walls are the damaged. The alveolar walls are the damaged, and these alveolar walls are the closed. So the normal, these are the alveoli size. So in this disorder, so this is like the, they are the walls are the like coming from the close, so these are the respiratory surface area of exchange of gases decreases. So normally this size, after disease the size is the decreases. So they are the exchange of the gases surface area. So they are the exchange of the gases surface area. The surface area is decreases. So the walls are the damaged, or the walls of the alveoli, these are coming from the close. The surface area is decreases. Surface area is decreases. So they are the emphysema. So the in which alveolar walls are damaged and their walls are the closed, to which the respiratory surface area of exchange of gases is decreased. The surface area is decreased, so the exchange of gases also decreased. The lungs show the larger, the lungs are the larger but fewer alveoli. That lungs are the few in alveoli. Alveoli numbering is decreases and more fibers and less elastic. More fibers and less elastic. So the elastic functioning is the this size is the increases. The surface area is the increases. So the elastic fibers are the less. So the size is the decreases. Surface area size is decreases. So these are the emphysema majorly caused by the smoking of tobacco. Smoking of tobacco. The smoking of tobacco, they causing of the disease emphysema. Emphysema means these are caused in the lungs. The lungs presenting on the alveoli. That alveoli walls are the damaged or alveoli surface area is decreased. So the decreasing of the exchange of gases. They are majorly caused by the smoking of tobacco. Majorly caused by the smoking of tobacco. Next one, bronchitis. Third one, bronchitis. So the inflammation of bronchi resulting in the swelling of mucous lining of bronchi. So they are the bronchi. For example, so they are the bronchi. So the bronchi presenting on the mucous membrane. The bronchi contain a mucous membrane. So the diseased persons, the swelling of mucous membrane, swelling of mucous membrane. Once revise. So the inflammation of bronchi resulting in the swelling of mucous lining of bronchi. So normally, so normal person, the mucous lining. So the green line is the mucous lining. The infected persons, so the diseased persons, they swelling of mucous membrane. The swelling of mucous membrane. So the decreasing of the diameter of bronchia. Decreasing of the diameter of the bronchia. So the increased mucus production and decrease the diameter of bronchi. So the increasing the mucus production and decreasing of the diameter. Decreasing of the diameter. So they are the bronchitis. Bronchitis means these are the inflammation of bronchi. Inflammation of bronchi. That bronchi wall presenting on the mucous membranes. That mucous membranes are the swelling. That mucous membranes are the swelling. So the over mucus production and decreasing in the diameter of the bronchi. Decreasing in the diameter of the bronchi. So they are the bronchitis. Next one, symptoms. Chronic cough. So the symptom is the chronic cough with thick mucus. Chronic cough with thick mucus. So they are the bronchitis. Last fourth one, pneumonia. Fourth one, pneumonia. So that pneumonia is caused by the bacteria. That bacteria is called the Streptococcus pneumonia. So the pneumonia is affected in the lungs. Affected in the lungs. So they are caused by the bacteria. That bacteria name is the Streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia. That causing the bacteria is called the Streptococcus pneumonia. And also certain virus, fungi and protozoans. Some of the virus causing to the pneumonia, fungi also causing the pneumonia and protozoans causing to the pneumonia. So the pneumonia is affecting of the lungs. So the majorly caused by the bacteria. That bacteria name is the Streptococcus pneumonia. Or some of the virus, fungi and protozoans causing to the pneumonia. That symptoms. So they are the inflammation of lungs. Inflammation of lungs. Lungs are the inflammation. Next one, accumulation of mucus in alveoli. For example, so these are the alveoli. So these alveoli, they are filling with the mucus. These are filling with the mucus. So that problem is there is no gases exchange. There is no gases exchange. Right? So the pneumonia, inflammation of lungs, accumulation of mucus in the alveoli. So the impaired exchange of gases. There is no gases exchange. So leading to death if untreated. So there is no treatment, that persons are the die. So there is no treatment, the pneumonia patients are the, there is no treatment, that persons are the die because of the alveoli. Alveoli main function exchange of the gases, that the atmosphere get taken from the lungs to exchange of the blood circulation, that blood circulation transfer to the all the body parts. So majorly these are the exchange of the gases area. So these are filled with the mucus. So there is no exchange of the gases. Untreated, that persons are the die. So these are the 4 types of the respiratory disorders: asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, pneumonia. Next another one, the occupational respiratory disorders. Occupational respiratory disorders. Occupational means the peoples working in the long term in the mining, quarries, industries. So they are the long term exposed to the factories. They working in the factories, minings, quarries. So that type of the persons they causing to the occupational disorders. So there are the 4 types. First one, asbestos. Asbestosis. First one, asbestos. Second one, silicosis. Third one, siderosis. Fourth one, black lung disease. Asbestosis, silicosis, siderosis, black lung disease. First one, asbestosis. So this was people working with the long term, the exposed to the asbestos dust. Long term he was exposed to the asbestos dust. So he was working in the asbestos industry like cotton factories. So they are the majorly releasing from the dust particles. So the long term exposure to the dust particles like asbestos dust. So that people are coming from the asbestosis. So the peoples they working with the long term, working with the asbestos industries. So that person inhalation of the asbestos dust. So they causing from the disease asbestosis. Next one, second one, silicosis. Second one, silicosis. Silicosis means, so they are the, that persons are the long term exposure to silica dust. Long term exposure to the silica dust. So they are working from the mining industries, and quarries. Mining industries or quarries, the people are the long term exposure. That persons are inhalation of the silica dust. So that causing from the disease silicosis. That disease is called the silicosis. Next one, third one, siderosis. Third one, siderosis disease. So they are the deposition of inhaled iron particles. They are the inhalation of the iron particles. They are stored in the tissues. Iron particles in the tissues. Deposition of inhaled iron particles in tissues. So they are causing from the siderosis. Many intake of the iron particles. So they are causing from the diseases. Siderosis. They are the 3 types: pneumoconiosis, hyperperemia, hemosiderosis. Pneumoconiosis, hyperperemia and hemosiderosis. Fourth one, black lung disease. Black lung disease. So the black lung disease means inhalation of coal dust. Inhalation of coal dust. Long term exposure to the inhalation of coal dust. That people are long term working in the coal mine workers. They are majorly affected in the coal mine workers. He was working in the coal mines. So that people are the long term exposure. So they are inhalation of the coal dust. That persons are the causing to the disease black lung disease. So they are the respiratory disorders. 4 marks, very important questions. So they are the last topic of the respiratory system. Next one, so they are important questions. So in this lesson, 4 marks, inspiration and expression, very important question. CO2 transport, important question. Respiratory regulatory movements, important question. Next one, respiratory disorders, very important question. Totally 4 important questions: inspiration and expression, CO2 transport. Third one, respiratory regulatory movements. Fourth one, respiratory disorders. So they are the very important in this lesson. 4 marks, 4 questions are the important. Next, discuss the circulatory system.